You just cashed a big check. Maybe it's a tax refund, a bonus, or even a lottery win. You're excited, you're pumped, and you're ready to spend that money. But hold on a second. How long does it actually take for that check to clear? Especially if you're using a mobile banking app like Chime. Let's dive in and find out. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a check, dude. Just deposit it and be done with it. Well, it's not quite that simple. There's a whole process that happens behind the scenes before that sweet cash hits your account. First off, let's talk about what a hold is. It's basically a temporary block on your funds. Banks do this for a few reasons. 1. To make sure the check is legit. 2. To protect themselves from fraudsters. And 3, well, let's just say it's a way for them to earn some interest on your money while they hold onto it. Sneaky, right? But don't worry, we're not here to bash banks. We're here to help you understand how long you might have to wait for your Chime check deposit to clear. Generally speaking, Chime aims to make funds available within 1 to 5 business days. But this is just a general guideline. A number of factors can influence how quickly your check clears. Let's break it down. First up, the amount of the check matters. Smaller checks tend to clear faster. Think under $200. Bigger checks, especially those over $1,000, might take longer. It's like the bank is saying, "Whoa there, big spender. Let's make sure this check is good before we open up the floodgates." Next, your check deposit history comes into play. If you've been a good little depositor and haven't had any bounced checks or fraudulent activity, you're more likely to get your money faster. But if you've got a history of shady check dealings, well, you might be in for a longer wait. The type of account you have can also impact the hold time. Some accounts might have shorter hold times than others. And let's not forget about weekends and holidays. Banks are closed on those days, so don't expect your check to clear overnight. So, what can you do to speed up the process? Well, first and foremost, make sure you endorse the check correctly. Write "for mobile deposit only" on the back, followed by your signature. Also, take clear photos of both sides of the check when you deposit it. Poor quality images can delay the process. And while we're on the subject, let's talk about some common check deposit mistakes. People often forget to endorse the check, or they take blurry photos. Some even try to deposit the same check multiple times. Don't do it. It won't make it clear faster, and it could actually cause more problems. Now, let's talk about some real-life experiences. I've heard from people who got their money instantly, while others had to wait the full 5 business days. It really depends on the situation. To sum it up, the time it takes for a Chime check deposit to clear can vary. But by understanding the factors that influence hold times and following some simple tips, you can increase your chances of getting your money faster. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.